In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to grant access in Time Doctor. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to the platform, this tutorial will help ensure your team has the right permissions to get their work done effectively. Let's jump in. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you feel most comfortable using. Once your browser is open, navigate to the search engine and type in Time Doctor. You want to look for the official site, which you'll typically find as the first link or the one with the URL timedoctor.com. Clicking on this link will take you straight to the Time Doctor homepage. Here, you'll need to log in. Use your credentials, your email and password to access your account. Once you're logged in, look for the Users section in your dashboard. This is where you can manage your team members and their access levels. You'll want to click on Add Users, which is the first step to granting access to a new team member. A window will pop up prompting you to enter the user's email address. This is the email they will use to connect to Time Doctor, so make sure it's accurate. In the same window, you'll also see an option to select the access level. Here, you can designate them as a client or assign them a user role, depending on what their involvement with the software will be. Once you've chosen the appropriate access level, you can decide on the specific groups or projects this new user should have access to. This is an important step as it customizes their experience and workflow within Time Doctor. You want them to see and work on only the projects or tasks relevant to them. After setting these details, click on Send Invites. This action will send an invitation email to the user encouraging them to log into Time Doctor and get started. Now, if you're the owner or admin of the account, there's an additional important step. You'll need to go to Settings, then Company Settings. This is where you can configure who in your company has billing information access. Scroll down until you find the Billing section. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Who Can Access Billing? Select the user you want to have visibility over billing information. By doing so, you're granting them extra privileges that are particularly useful for managing company finances. Once you've completed these steps, the selected user will have the billing option available in their settings, allowing them to view and manage billing-related tasks as needed. And just like that, you've successfully granted access in Time Doctor. This simple yet powerful process ensures your team can collaborate seamlessly and focus on what's most important to your organization's success. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.